So first, we'll start with vintage voltage. And if we get any new cards, then I'll put it in this Fusion Strike mini binder. Okay, so we got the Pokemon. Here's the Go card. So the 4-card trick. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip to the front, guess the energy. Fighting energy. Nope, psychic energy. Psychic energy. Kakuna. Cherish Turba, Galarian Sunfisk, Joltik, Weedle, Tello, Sandile, Oshawott, and we got Zamazenta. Ooh, look at all this color. Let's go. And then Shiftery. So we got this. Is so cool. I'm going to go sleeve it. So the sleeve I prefer you to buy, it's a clear sleeve. It's called Dragon Shield sleeve. It's a cute clear sleeve. It's not like normally sleeve. This sleeve is hard and it can protect your cards. So I'm gonna go sleeve this Zamazenta and put it on the top in the display. Let me take these off. Pikachu's off too. And then put these on the display. Whoa, we just got a rainbow card out of the vintage voltage. Let's go Zamazenta. Yes. So, here we're going to the next pack. Eternity Sword and Shield Darkness Ablaze. So we have the Go card. Here's the Go card. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, to the front. Oops. Sorry. So, shield or metal type. Victoria. Sincere, Heat Energy, Bumblebee, Persimmon, Dino, Electric, Galarian Mr. Mime, Seville, and Glossopod. Guess that one is it. And then Thievul is our reverse hollow. And yeah, our last pack, Darkness Ablaze. Please get something good. Please. the go card. See what we get. So, energy, turbo patch, blowing smoke, sim sage, rookie dookie, Aaron, Thorchick, Galarian Mastermind, Fixaline, Dursparce, and Activish. Man, so we got Octofish. That's our rare, and this is our reverse hollow. Okay, and that is our opening. I hope you like it, and then enjoy the rest of your day. Bye. Enjoy. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun.